In this video, I'll show you how to connect your laptop or desktop to mobile internet using a hotspot. First, take your phone and swipe down from the top to open the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down again if needed. Look for Mobile Hotspot. Now tap and hold Mobile Hotspot to open its settings. Turn it on. You can also customize it. Tap Configure to change the network name and password, then tap Save. Next, go to your computer. Click the Wi-Fi icon on the taskbar and look for the hotspot name you just created. Click on it, then press Connect. Enter the password from your phone and click Next. After connecting, you'll see that your computer now has internet access. That's it. This is how you can connect your laptop or desktop to mobile internet using a hotspot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.